Okay, for this video I've got a little word scramble for you. Our topic is something by a something. So at this point, if you'll freeze the video and see if you can unscramble these words. Blank by a blank. It's an awful lot of letters. Can you do that? Okay, at this point, I assume that you've done your best and now you're ready to go on with the video. Oh, yeah, what was that? Well, this first word was dividing. Dividing by a monomial. Alright, dividing by a monomial just means one term. So you'd have one term in the denominator. And it's a lot like simplifying exponential expressions, but there's a few other things besides that are involved. So let's take a couple examples. Seven c squared d cubed over 28 c d. Well, this is mostly exponential, but we can cancel 7 goes into 28 4 times. So we have 1 over 4. And then we have c squared divided by c to the 1. So we have c to the 2 minus 1. And we have d cubed over d to the first power. So we have d 3 minus 1. When we divide by, we'll put the 1's in there, that's understood. So when we divide by a d, we just subtract the bottom exponent from the top. So that leaves us with c 2 minus 1, just c, d 3 minus 2, which is d squared, all that over 4. And that's the answer to that one. So let's pick another one. For this one, we'll take 24y to the 5th plus 12y cubed over 6y. Alright, if we look at the coefficients in this case, 6 is a factor for each one. So we can take 6 into 24 4 times, 6 into 12 2 times. So that leaves us with 4y to the 5th plus 2y cubed, all that over y. Alright, this y in the denominator, it's understood that's y to the first power. So we can take y to the first out of each of these terms. So 4y to the 5th over y to the first would just be 4y to the 5 minus 1, y to the 4th. And 2y to the 3rd over y to the first would be 2 times y to the 3 minus 1, or 2. So that leaves us with that. And so we've successfully divided that, and this is okay the way it is. We could factor it more. We have a 2y squared in each term, so we could take out 2y squared, like greatest common factor. 4y to the 4th divided by 2y squared leaves us with y squared, and 2y squared divided by 2y squared leaves us with 1. So that would be factored out. And let's try one more. in this case, we're going to do one that is not going to come out evenly. 3xc squared plus 6c squared d, all that divided by 3cd. Okay, well the 3 divides evenly, so that becomes a 1 in each case, and 6 divided by 3 becomes a 2. Let's switch to another color. So we end up with just xc squared plus 2c squared d over cd. Alright, what have we got in common? We've got a c in common. Let's divide both terms by cd, kind of a complex division. So in this case, xc squared divided by cd would leave us with xc over d, and 2c squared d divided by cd would leave us with 2c. And that would be our answer, dividing the numerator by the denominator.